Conics, a curve obtained as the intersection of the surface of a cone with a plane. There are three types of them: hyperbola, parabola, and ellipse. The second one is degenerated conics. What they are is generated when a plane intersects the vertex of the cone. There are also three types of them, which are a single point, a line, and two parallel intersecting lines. The last one is eccentricity, which is to each conic section there is a number called the eccentricity that characterizes the shape of the curve. For example, a circle has an eccentricity of 0, an ellipse has it between 0 and 1, parabola is 1, hyperbola has an eccentricity greater than 1. One of the three types of conics are parabola, the set of the points whose distance from a fixed point is equal to the distance from a fixed line. As you can see below, there's the equations, and you can see how the graph fits. The second one is hyperbola, which is the set of all points where the difference between the distance from two fixed points are constant. The last one is ellipse, which is the set of all points for which the sum of the distance from two fixed points are constant. You can see the equation below.
Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about our project, which is the Build-A-Bear, which has 0 non-conics, 14 conics, and of all those, there's 6 ellipses, 1 parabola, and 7 circles.
So next, our conic that we chose was an ellipse, which represented the body. The equation for that would be x squared over 16 plus y plus 6.7 squared over 10, which equals 1. We got the equation by looking at the graph and placing the midpoint where we wanted the head to be, which would be 0, negative 6.7. We wanted that to be horizontal, so we made the a squared bigger under x squared. And then from there, we found our center, which was 0, negative 6.7. Our h value is 1, our k value is negative 6.7, and our a value is 6. And then from there we found our b, which would be 10. And then in order to find our foci, we needed a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So after we did that, we found that our foci would be 2.44. And then so from there we just placed the midpoint, so our foci would be 2.44 comma 6.7, and then the opposite, negative 2.44 comma negative 6.7. And then our vertices would be 16 comma negative 6.7, and then negative 16 comma negative 6.7.